Good morning everyone. This is Standard 6 Science video number 3. In the previous video we have discussed about the root system, function of root, modification of roots and types of root. Okay, in this video we will discuss about the shoot system. Okay, first of all, what is shoot system? Okay, this is the main part of the plant that grows above the ground. Here you can see this part grows above the plant. Okay, and it consists of stem. It consists of, this is the stem, and it consists of leaf. It consists of flowers also. It consists of fruits also. So they are called the shoot systems. Okay, and next the parts of the stem. Okay, what are the different parts of the stem? The first of all, the stem, it is, okay, stem is a very important part of the plant. In most plant, stems are quite strong and hold the plant upright. Okay, in case of big tree, that stem of the tree is called trunk, and most of the trunks are covered with a tough outer layer called bark, and this bark is brown in color. What are the function of this bark? It protect the inner part of the tree. Okay, it is present outer part of the, but in a tree, not a small branches. Okay, now we will see here the different parts of that. First is node. What is node? Okay, here node. It is a place from where new branches and the leaves arises on the stem. You can see here, this is the node. From here new branches will come out. Okay, new stem will come out, new leaves will come out. Okay, second one is internode. Here you can see two nodes, upside and downside. Now distance between, whatever the distance between two nodes is called internode. Okay, the portion of the stem means this portion, whatever the portion of the stem between the two nodes are called internode. Next one is apical or terminal bud. This is apical bud. This is also called terminal bud. Okay, what are these apical and terminal buds? Okay, it is a bud present on the tip of the stem. You can see here it is present on the tip of the stem or the branches, and it helps in the lengthwise growth of the plant. The plant grow on their lengths. Okay, now next one is axilla. The corner place between the stem and the leaf stalk is called its axilla. Okay, now we will discuss about the function of the stem. Okay, what are the function of stem? We will see here. First function of the stem is to support, to give support. Okay, what it do? The stem bears support the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, the leaves are arranged on the stem in such a way that they get a proper sunlight for preparing their food. That is called photosynthesis. Okay, you can see here the leaves are everywhere. The leaves will get the sunlight. Okay, why they are getting why they need sunlight? To prepare the food by the help of photosynthesis. Okay, the next function is to help in conduction. What helps in conduction? Okay, first of all, you can see here whatever the water and mineral in the soil, whatever the water and mineral in the soil is present, these water and mineral are absorbed from the soil, from the root. Okay, and this water and mineral is passing through the upside of the stem, and some water and mineral is going to the leaf, because leaf prepare the food, it needs water and mineral to prepare the food. Okay, and this food prepared by the leaf, the leaf is called kitchen of the plant because it prepare the food. Plant prepare the food in the leaf, so the leaf is called kitchen of the plant. Okay, whatever the food manufacture with by the process called photosynthesis, and they take water from the soil, sunlight from the sun, okay, and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, then prepare the food. Whatever the finished product is there, whatever the product is there, this product is passing to the upper part of the stem, giving to the other leaf, okay, other fruit, other is branches, and to the it providing food for the root also. Okay, so the stem helps in the conduction of water and minerals absorbed by the root of the plant, and it also conduct prepared food from the leaves of the various part of the plant, such as root, stem, and fruits. One more function of the stem is that the stem bears branches. Okay, you can see the stem bears different branches. Leaves also it contains. Okay, flowers also it contains. Bud and fruits it contains. Now we are going to discuss about the modification of stem. Okay, what are the modifications of stems? Okay, some of plants are modified to perform some additional function. What are that additional function? See here. They food manufacture. What is food manufacture here? Okay, you can see the plants like cactus, and these are called opensia. Okay, these are the cactus. They grow in desert or in very dry places, okay, in which the temperature is very high. In such plants the stem is modified into thick, fleshy, okay, and green structure. Okay, these stem manufacture food by process of photosynthesis and also conserve water. Okay, when they will not get water at the unfavorable condition, they use it from the storage form of water. Okay, these are the third modification of stem is to defense. Okay, in some plants like citrus which are sour in taste, lemon are sour in taste. Okay, guava are also contains that is vitamin C, that is a citrus. Okay, lemon, orange, these are the citrus fruits. Okay, and they you will find it inside. In guava the spines are not found, but in the lemons and the oranges spines are found. Okay, and you will see in the bougainvillea, this is the bougainvillea, they have also spines. Okay, they have pointed, hard and sharp structure, and these are called spines or called thorns. You can see here this also have spines. Okay, and very sharp and hard it is. Why? Why they have spines and thorns? Because these structures prevent animals from eating the plants. So they have spines or thorns in them. Now we are going to see the activity. Okay, what is the activity is there? To show the water is conducted by the branches and leaf of the stem. Okay, we will see that we will take a dropper, beaker with the water, okay, red ink, blue ink, knife, okay, and twig. What are these methods? You have to take a beaker with some water and put a few drops of ink, and take a tender twig with leaves and white flowers and keep them for 8 to 10 hours. Okay, what you will observe? You will observe the red color moves up through the stem, but okay. These red colors moves upside after we putting into 8 to 10 hours. You observe that red color line through the stem, leaves and flowers. Okay, it indicates that the water moves up through the stem. Thank you.